Hey guys, welcome to the world of track biking. Let's get this started. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's get into the topic. Today I'm gonna do the unboxing of not the helmet, but something this. I bought a new microphone for my GoPro Hero 5 Black because I lost my helmet. With that I lost my mic as well, so that was the reason I couldn't do any kind of proper motovlogging. So why are we waiting for? Let's unbox this. Okay, see you in the other window. Hey, what's up guys? Right now you can see the Amazon.in parcel, and right now you can see this beside to that beautiful knife. So this is the standard unboxing thing which you're gonna see in every unboxing videos. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna cut this, and after that I'll open this and I'll show it to you guys. So let's do this. Oh my god, finally I got this. What it is? Let me open. I have only one hand now because I am holding one mobile in my other hand. So what is there in it? Hey, come here. Ta-da! If I am not wrong, this brand is called a lavalier mic, and it should not come with 3 circles. It should be only 2 circles, as you can see here. So with that, focus madappa. Okay, with that you can connect to the GoPro Hero 5. Otherwise you cannot connect to the GoPro Hero 5. This is what I was telling. These 2 circles are there, no? This is the standard for GoPro Hero 5. There will be 3 circles which you can see in other microphones. See here. Here you can see the 3 circles, but in this only 2 circles, because GoPro Hero 5 doesn't support the 3 circle. So hope you liked that video guys. It was just a funny trial which I did. So this is the mic which I'm using, which I'm gonna use now for my new helmet. I know I have not done any kind of unboxing thing for my new helmet. I'll do it soon. Just I wanted to show you guys, this is the one which we can use it for GoPro Hero 5 Black. It is a cheaper one. It costed me like nearly 375 rupees INR. Nice, right? It seriously gives a better sound compared to other mics. With that note, I'm gonna end this short vlog. If you like this video, please do hit a like button. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please go there and subscribe to my channel. And if you are not following me on Instagram and Facebook, can you see this? Yes, please follow that handle, so I'll be more active in that. Bye bye, see you, and see you in the next videos. Next video gonna be helmet unboxing. Please wait for it. Next video gonna be helmet unboxing. Please wait for it. It will be coming shortly. Bye bye.